Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today we are at Disney's Coronado Springs. We have a room tour for you today. We are in the Ranchos section, section 7B. We have a first floor room and room 7512, so we're gonna take you through that real quick and show you. I'm gonna turn the camera around, and here's the parking lot. It's rather empty here midday, so the room we got is on the ground floor, and we're fortunate that we can actually park really close to the room. So as we walk up here, you see there's 10, 11, and then room 12 is right here. So let's get on inside and show you around. All right guys, so here we go, room 7512. So let's get in here and take a look around. So as we open the door, I can tell you when we opened the door, this is the first time we've ever stayed here, and the first thing we noticed was the sheer amount of storage and space, as well as kind of the updated and the modern look of it. Right here on the right, when you walk in, you'll see kind of that Southwest theming, and you also see the three caballeros there. The chair itself actually swivels, so that's really kind of a nice touch. It's just not a standard chair. And as we get to the desk and the storage space here, right away, this cabinet was actually, this shelf was actually empty when we first got here, so we put some of our stuff here. But you have your ice bucket, you have your cups and for coffee and things like that, and then of course you have your full coffee selection there. Beneath it, we'll back up a little bit. You see you have your refrigerator. I don't know if that's a refrigerator more so than just a cooler to kind of keep things cold. Mainly it would fit like canned drinks and stuff really well. But anyway, nevertheless, you have that there. Then you have a space for, to kind of sit and pull the chair out and get some desk work done. This is a convention resort, so with that being said, they make sure you have plenty of space to do work should you need it. You have a little lamp right here. It's a nice looking little lamp. And then also you'll see right there you have two traditional USBs, as well, those are being used for your lights and I'm sure your TV and such. Moving on over, you see you have 6 drawers to pull out for storage for clothes and such, and then you also have more USB and regular outlets there, a nice sized TV, and then you'll notice as you kind of pan to the wall, these barn doors here that lead into the bathroom area. One of the things about the bathroom area that are these doors that I don't like, it's really the only thing I don't like about the room, is the fact that they don't close. If you're looking for privacy in there, you may not get it completely because there's no way to lock those doors. But I'm going to back up here and show you the left side where the beds and things are at. And right away you'll notice you have the 2 queen beds here. Both beds are lifted off the ground so that you can store your luggage, things like that, whatever you may need underneath it. And come over here between the beds, you'll notice that you have plenty more outlets here. These are where you will turn on the lights, turn on and off the lights over the bed there. Let me get those turned back on. More lights over the bed, so plenty of lighting in here. They don't miss that at all. This is a really shallow little drawer there, but it's deep enough to maybe put jewelry or a watch in or something like that. And this is one of the most unique spaces that I've seen that Disney has put a safe. So it's a safe with a digital code, but they put it under the end table or nightstand between the 2 beds. I haven't seen one there before. Regardless, it's not a deep one, but it's just kind of like the other ones they have on property. You could put a laptop, stand a laptop in it up or something like that. Let's back on out of here. And we'll go check out the restroom area. Also, you do have this is a connecting room, and you do have a full-length mirror there. But let's get these doors open. They do both slide back, and then the bathroom space is really nice size. You'll notice it's updated and monitored as well. We'll take a look to the right here. Right off the bat, you have these closets where you have your extra pillows and blankets up top, plenty of hangers, a bag down, well that's our bag, a place to a luggage rack should you need that, and then of course they have a little slot right here for your ironing board, and they do have an iron underneath that bag there should you need that. And then take a look at the sinks. You'll notice the sinks right here, you have 2. They do still have the H2O products, so that's good. I don't know when they're going to get rid of that or run out. Supposedly H2O ceased business or closed down back in 2022. But then over here in this cubby right here, this could have just been a wasted space, but they decided to use it, and I really like what they did with it. They made a little towel rack here, have a little like medicine cabinet style cabinet there, and 3 shelves that go right there as well. You also have this additional, like I said, shelf right there. This obviously shuts as well. This one does lock, okay? That one does lock right there should you want it to. But this is just kind of a traditional toilet and shower space. You have your towels to the left and the right there. You have your floor mat, H2O products here. And then also you have a waterfall shower and a regular shower head there that attaches should you want that. So that's really nice as well. Even though it's a standard size shower, it does have nice amenities. So that's going to about wrap it up here. So if you enjoyed the room tour, thank you for hanging out with us today. Don't forget to click the link down below to subscribe and like. We really appreciate it. It really helps the channel. And thank you, and we'll see you next time around. Have a good day.